Oh man, who's now? I was full focused on deep work. Carajo, será ahora, si yo no pedí nada. Tenemos por aquí... It's DeskHub by Max Blake! Okay, this is prepared, I already unboxed it before. So Max just have sent me the very first production unit of his baby, the DeskHub. He started this project literally from scratch 2 months ago, after seeing one tweet by Mark Lupian. He was building it in public on Twitter, sharing all the process daily. Once you unbox it, you find a little guide with quick instructions to configure DeskHub, and also a nice personalizing note. Thank you Max, you're the best person in the world right now. When I held it in my hands for the very first time, it looked super amazing. It even had a pretty decent weight, which gives it a nice sensation of quality. It's super well finished and polished. I wouldn't have guessed this thing was 3D printed in some guy's room if I hadn't known about it. A super nice thing is a cutout of my name on the backplate. I wasn't expecting this at all, but it is an extremely neat detail. We also find some soft pads and a USB-C cable. Thank you Max, now I have 1000 plus 1 USB-C cables. Let's go to the point. I used the coiled cable of my keyboard to plug the DeskHub for the first time and ta-da! The first launch is an awesome wow effect, with the LED matrix riding on and welcoming me. This is an incredible detail. Then it prompts some configurations details like the Wi-Fi, password and IP address. In order to configure it, we have to connect to the DeskHub's Wi-Fi and access from any browser to the IP address prompted on the display, and we get access to the configurations dashboard. In my house I have two Wi-Fis, a FUTC Corazon is 5 GHz and Push Sporting is 2.4 GHz. We have to choose this one, so I enter the Wi-Fi's name and password. Next is typing our GitHub username, which is JuanJuven, like my Twitter username, and finally the brightness, which is recommended to 8 or below if you have a pretty full graph like mine. We submit the configuration, and in a couple seconds, boom! Your GitHub's contribution graph is fetched and plotted in the super cool LED matrix. How cool is that? You can appreciate here on the left the void of Christmas time, my super long streak, and how I broke it lately. When it is off and you plug it in again, it turns on in just a few seconds. It looks gorgeous on my setup. I recorded some clips in dark mode and it's even more stunning. I also leverage my IKEA pegboards to place it there, and it fits perfectly with my other stuff. This is simply a must for any developer's setup. If you wanna get a DeskHub, visit Max Blade's Twitter and find the link in his bio or go to the description down below. Okay, and now the drop test. Shit, there is water all around.